The entry you said it's running?
Yeah, it's running in profit right now.
No,
Still.
why it is reacted
No,
from the
no, it's again up to the it's going to the SL right now.
if you know, you see my screen,
Yeah, I can see your screen. Yeah.
you see this line,
Yeah. Yes, this line.
why it's reacted from there? It's a super gap fail area. You go
Oh,
to the chart when you have time, we'll see. Okay.
okay. Okay. I just missed that the super game. I
Okay.
actually went in early.
At the same time, I have sent a video in the evening, in the noon, I think, when I explained the buy setup. Remember?
Yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
I also waiting for something. So let us go to there, then we will see. Anyway, everyone, uh, let us start a little bit of recap of the first session. Okay, little bit of recap of the first session. Whenever like three confusion is too much, which I am going to say, before that, let me tell you something that I am planning to sell from 13 to 14 area. Okay. So uh, just also give me 1 minute. Okay, give me 1 minute. I just need to set something. Now, before going to further today's session, I want to discuss the first session recap. Before going to the recap, also I want to tell you something. If you guys seeing my chart, let me go to the 1 minute. In the 1 minute, actually, we will understand. If you look at here, you see I'm moving to my chart, the point. So basically, whenever you have this particular area, which is 25832 and 2583838383, I'm just showing you this is only 2 pips. 22 to 32 is the 10 pips. Okay, this is the gold measurement and the forex measurement. And for the BTC, like if you go to like where is the 2500, so it will be better. Just give me a minute, I'm going to look for the 2500 or the round figure where the market is right now. So 26 to exactly 26 to 2610 is the 10 pips. Okay, 2610, like this. Okay, so if you measure it now with the tool we have, no, sorry, I made a mistake. 2610, where so I draw the, where is 2610? 1010. Am I drawing right or am I also doing wrong?
Sir, you are in a gold, so that's why. If you want to see, we have to move to the BTC.
No. I'm just initially trying to talk about the gold pattern, like 26, where is 26 exactly? So this
Yes,
is the round figure of 26, right?
yeah.
This is the round figure of 26. So 26 to 2610 is the 10 pips. So whenever you see point anything which is not even one. So whenever you reach out to one, it will be like this. 1.2 is equal to 10 pips for the gold. If
Sir,
you go
it's
to
a
the
0-1.
huh?
It's a 0-1, not 1-0.
No. This particular one I'm saying, like from 2.6, you see the round figure 2.6,
Yes.
where I can draw. Just let me find out where. You guys see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so where? Okay, so I'm trying to say this particular 2.6, exactly the round figure you see 2.6. So from 2.6 to 10, like 00 to 10 is the 10 pips. Okay, is the 10 pips. Secondly, Secondly, for the BTC will be something 100 point is like, kind of 10 pips. So if you look 90,000 to 92,000, 19,000 to 19,200 is like 20 pips. Got it? Every 1,000 point is a 100 pips. Am I clear, or I'm making it more confused?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
$1 is 10 pips. That's what for gold. That's what I mean.
10 pips
$1
means
move.
every, like,
$1.
look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You see 2600. Let's think about it is the 100, and if you goes to 10 means 110. So every 10 is 10 pips. Is it okay now?
$1 is equal to 10 pips.
Ha ha ha
Correct,
ha. Right,
correct,
kind of.
correct.
Kind of. Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
Like, I'm trying to maybe making it more complex than the easiest way. Okay. So anyway, and the second thing is, okay, let us recap something that we have learned in the first session. So the very first thing we says, we look at anything here, like I am randomly in my chart. So we have a EG buy here. So let's drag it to left. Let's drag it to left. Where is the recent EG sell? This is the EG sell. Is it the EG sell? This is the EG sell, and this is the EG buy. So this is the overlapping. Clear? And again, we have a EG sell here, EG buy here. So this is our buy area. Okay, this is the overlapping. And we have nothing. We have nothing here. We have nothing here. We have a EG sell here, EG buy here, and we have a EG sell which is basically on here. This one. Okay, overlapping. Any question regarding the session 1?
No, sir.
Only thing is when we go for the EG's engulfing sell and buy retest, sometimes we get into bias, market reverse and bounce back. Maybe overlapping is more confluence than the retest, maybe more.
I didn't. Sorry, brother. I need to. Who is talking?
Sorry, this is Kannan here. What I'm
Huh.
trying to say is when there is a engulfing sell or buy setup, and the market price move for retest, sometimes there is a probability it may reverse or fail. But when we have a overlapping within the buy or sell zone, that is more better than retest. That's what I am assuming. Assumption is correct, or?
This is the basically, what we do actually. Let me show you setup today when like Vasilis sent in the group in the London session. Sorry, before the New York session, somewhere between here, I guess. Somewhere here. If I do not make mistakes, so he sent this. Look at this. I'm going to. Yeah, you're saying something, Vasilis?
Yes, I hear. Yes.
So this is the engulfing cell, isn't it? This is the engulfing cell in the market, where he marked this particular thing on here. How can I remove this also? Just a minute, okay? Okay, so look at this. This is the EG cell he marked, okay? And if you look at this EG cell, so we need to see to buying actually, if as we are in a bullish market. So we need to see market need this engulfing cell need to be failed. So it's still not failed, it immediately failed in here. The thing is, this is the area where market failed. So now what happened, this main zone is actually going under the overlapping zone. So we are going to buy from here if market come back here, okay? If market come back here. Got it? Is this part clear now? And this was the buy. Okay, and we see market came back, struggle a little bit, and then give us the way we wanted. Now clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So yeah, this is what we have learned in the first session. Let us start with our session number 2. In the session 2, is everyone here? We are 14 people here. So in the session 2, I'm going to there will be some question answering session. So if you look at here, what I'm drawing. You see my drawing in the chart?
Yeah, we can
Yes.
see.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what we have here,
Engulfing cell.
Engulfing
Yes,
cell.
sir.
Okay. So when you have a engulfing cell at the same time, it's a resistance also. We call it a shape. It's a resistance also. Okay. It's a
Yes.
resistance also. When you have that resistance, it's also an A shape, which is this. Okay. Now, my question to all of you, if it says how many breakout we have here, how many breakout you guys sees here? How many breakout?
Only one.
Okay. Everyone is confirming this, that
2 breakouts,
only
sir.
2 breakout. Who says 2 breakout?
Sir, Atharv, sir. मैं, sir.
How it's a 2 breakout, brother. If you look at here,
Sir.
like
Yes, sir.
maybe we have a candle here. I understand. We have a candle here. So if you also draw this, if you also have it, that means you may have something like this. Okay, something like this. So it's only one breakout, because if you look at the candle formation, this is the low, and we see market just break out that particular candle, means it's only one breakout.
Okay.
Got it? One breakout. Is this part clear? Like if I ask you
Okay.
in the real chart on here, this is the one breakout only. Clear? It is the one breakout.
Okay,
Clear,
sir.
Atar?
Okay, sir. Okay. Clear.
Now, if it says it's a one breakout, it's a one breakout, and then if it's a 30-minute time frame and we break it, 30-minute time frame, and we break it to 5 minutes, how many candle we are going to get on the 5 minute on each candle?
6 candles.
In total, how many? 12, isn't it? First, this one has 6, this one also 6.
12
In total,
yeah.
we are going to get, yeah, individually 6, yes, but in total we are going to get 12. Okay, 12. Now the same thing. Just a minute. If we draw the same breakout on here, what I'm doing, I'm just breaking the time frame candle. Okay, means these are the 6 candle that we have is a green candle on here. Is this part clear?
Yes, clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And if we have as the red candle is a little bit bigger, we may have something like this. Okay. Now, my question to you, all of you, actually, how many breakout we will have here? If I draw the line chart again, as we draw line chart on here, which was this open to close and then open to close. Okay. In here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basically, what I am doing, I just draw all of the 6 candle, which is in a single line as all the green candle. Is this part clear?
Yes,
Yeah,
boss.
clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we
Yes,
have
sir.
2 candles, 1 and 2, and then we have 1, and then we have remaining 3 candle. So as we say is in the first scenario, so we have a scenario number 1, we have a scenario number 2. How many breakout we say is in the first scenario? How many?
One.
One.
Scenario. In this scenario means this is the same breakout which already we have here, right? So we are
Yeah.
talking, this is the scenario 1 again. Okay, this is the same scenario. Now the question is, how many breakout we have in the scenario 2?
2.
2 breakout.
2 breakouts, sir.
2.
This is the breakout number 2. This is the breakout number 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
You can't see
have-
your cursor.
Sir,
Can't you
marking
explain
is-
again because I didn't understand?
you guys did not see my cursor. Okay,
No.
sorry. I understand this thing will not work here. So I need to do it here. So we have, this is this breakout number 1, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And this is the same breakout which remain is a 1 on here, right? And by
Yes,
eight
sir.
in extra, we have another breakout which we are calling now the breakout number 2. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
At the same time, if you look at this particular 2 breakout thing, we also it's look like a M shape of a alphabetical M shape, isn't it?
Yes, master.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Is this part clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if it's clear, means we are going to say the M shape is the one that we just look a little bit earlier. These are the M shape, right? These are the M shape.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we also said we have 2 breakout. Breakout number 1 is here. Breakout number 1 is here. Okay. 2 is
Yes,
here.
sir.
Now few people will say this is also need to be weak. We do not consider the weak. We only consider the line chart breakout. Okay. Line chart breakout. 1 breakout, 2 breakout. Now there are 2 possibilities. Possibility number 1, market may go back there and then it drop. And the possibility number 2, market may go back all the way to the upper one and then drop. So the question is, which one we are going to be choose or which one we are going to pick?
ऊपर वाला सर.
Upperwala. Who says Upperwala?
सब मैं ही हूँ सर था.
Why Upperwala?
क्योंकि सर मुझे
God protect us.
I think the upper one.
The
क्योंकि
upper
सर
one.
वो इंगलफन के अंदर है सर वो.
Okay, fine. So let's say this is the upper one. So we have 2 reasons, okay? We have 2 reasons to choose the upper one. First one is if you enter on here, there is the as there are possibility to market goes the upper one, so it may goes a little bit upper and hit our stop loss, isn't it? So your total
Yes, sir.
risking zone is getting a little bit bigger. Got it? And the second
Yes,
is
sir.
if you enter on here, your risking zone is actually getting a little bit smaller. Okay?
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So means we are going to choose upper one for the less riskier. And second one is once we go to the chart, we will understand why. Now means we are going to see market, this particular area would be our entry area. Okay. This particular entry would be our area is our entry area. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, master.
Now it seems like a very easy way to find an M shape and W shape, but market is kind of harami, which is a very with a very bad word you can use as a harami, like bastard types of thing. Okay, it will not give us that much perfect M shape. So there are a few variation of the M shape to understand. The variation number 1 will be kind of a left shoulder one, which is the variation number 1 for us. Is this part okay?
Yes,
And
sir.
variation number 2 will be the right shoulder one. Variation number 3 will be very long M shape, very long M shape. And the variation number 4 will be very tiny, sometimes very hard to notice. Okay, very hard to notice. These are the 4 types of variation. Mainly 95% time will be very much common in the chart. You will see most of the time. Is this part clear?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear है.
Yes, master.
So all the thing we have seen so far for what? Sell or buy?
Sell.
Sir.
Sell.
What will be the buy?
W.
Sir. W, sir.
W.
Everyone is genius. Why you join me?
सर आपके ज्वाइन करने के बाद ही सर हम जीनियस हुए थोड़े से.
Okay, so this will be our W shape, okay? W shape. Now we have one breakout here, another is another breakout on here, okay? We will expect market will come back here and then it will be our entry area. Is this part clear also? Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
when we have that clearing understanding means we will have 4 types of variation again for the W. One will be left shoulder, another will be right shoulder, one will be very much long one, another will be very much tiny, sometimes very hard to notice. That's the reason he says we need to train our eyes so much. Okay, so these are the few things we are going to see in the chart. Now, there are few things to remember, which is these types of thing. Whenever you have something like that, always you need to break out. So it is not a two breakout. It is just a regular M shape. We always need two breakout. Okay. The lower part you mark, the middle one has to be at least 1-2 pips upper than this part. Okay. Is this part clear? This
Okay, sir.
is
Yes, sir.
also
Yes, sir.
not a two breakout because this particular area is not breaking. Okay. This is also not gonna be two breakout. This will be three breakout. We need clearly two breakout. This is one breakout. We have another breakout. We have another breakout. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Also, this kind of stuff is also not two breakout. Where I go. This is nowhere is a breakout. This types of stuff is also not a breakout, two breakout. We need something that will be in somewhere is above breakout, right? Clear?
Clear, sir.
So everyone,
Yes, but
Yes, master.
in the third shape, on the, what to say now? In the third shape, right?
right. Here.
No, right?
Okay, here.
More right. Yes. Before the third. Before the third mountain, it's not 2 breaks, or not?
I said we need two breakout. So this is the breakout number
okay.
1. This is the
Yes.
breakout number 2. Okay. This is
Yes.
the breakout number 1 and this is the breakout number 2. Now, if you follow this particular pattern, so this is the breakout number 1, right?
Yes.
This is, let's say, breakout number 2, right?
Yes.
And this is breakout number 3, is it?
Yes, but if we have not the third mountain, we have 2 breaks. Is that right?
No, it's not right. I said we need only 2 breakout.
Yes, two breakout.
There is
If
no
we have,
2 breakout.
if
It's 3 breakout.
we have not the
No,
third mountain.
One thing you just tell me. If I write a alphabetically this thing, just let's say this is an alphabetic word.
M.
So
M.
no, forget about M. If I say this is an
Okay.
alphabetic word of what it is, what it
Yes.
will be as alphabetic word.
A.
A, right? That
Yes,
means
yes.
I can also say this is also A, right? This is A.
Yes.
Is this A? Is this an A?
No.
So when I says you need to look for a M shape, it should be like an M.
Okay.
This is related to an M. Okay?
Okay.
Clear now, brother?
Yes.
Okay. That's my kid continuously calling me. So anyway,
I
this is what
think I said the same, but okay, it's okay.
okay. So now this is our all the theoretical part. Any question related to the theoretical part, anyone? Why no one is answering?
No.
Am I audible?
No, master.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, master.
Okay, so we
audible.
can move
It's
on, is
okay,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
We
Yes,
can
sir.
move on.
If you are doing yes, sir, later they will be asking question in the chat. If you don't
Okay.
understand, you have to speak up. Yes.
Okay.
Everybody,
No,
yes,
no.
yes.
In the
Clear,
chart
sir.
is more difficult, I think.
Okay. So now my question, as of the theoretical base, I said We need, this thing is so annoying. So let us see something in our line chart, okay? Let us see something in our line chart. I says we need two breakout, okay? We need two breakout. So if you go to the candlestick, if you look at here, do you guys see any M shape?
Yes, sir. Recent one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
This one.
basically we are talking about this one as an M shape, okay? This one.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
why we are not talking about this one as a M shape? Why we are not talking about is this one as an M shape? So let me drag both of the scenario in different places. So let me drag this one is here and also this one is here. So when you have this one, which says we need clear cut M shape. So this is the one breakout, okay? And this is the second breakout, clear? And here,
yes,
this is the one breakout. This is the second breakout. And this is the third breakout. So what we need, this or this? First scenario, second scenario.
First.
Second.
Second. Who said first?
dono.
The
No,
right
no, no,
one.
no, no. We need only, remember, for now, just remember, I understand it take a little bit time to consume the information. Whenever you see something, this is a M as an alphabetically. Forget about the two breakout or anything. This is an M of alphabetical M, right?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you see an alphabetically M shape, means this is M shape is the kind of a symmetrical, isn't it? Like this upper and lower one will be the symmetrical, right? This is the M shape. I'm not writing it perfectly, but this is the very perfect M of an alphabetic word, right?
Yes.
Ji.
In that particular setup, we need just this particular line has to be break out the first area. This is the particular perfect M shape, which will please our eyes as an M shape on the alphabetic word. Got it?
Yes,
So
master.
if I
Yes,
say,
sir.
is it an M shape? What you will say? This low is broken with how many breakout? 1, 2. We need only one breakout. Clear?
Hmm.
Now understand,
Yes,
brother?
yes,
Yes, master.
yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
when I says we have this scenario is here, we have this scenario is here. So means which one we are going to pick as a perfect M shape? This one, scenario number 1 or scenario number 2?
2.
2.
Everyone confirm that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
2.
Yes, sir.
So when I says we have a one breakout here, another breakout is here, means we have two breakout. So when we says two breakout, now you may says why I'm not picking this one as a low, but this one as a low, isn't it?
Yeah.
So before going to that, let us look at the candlestick. In the candlestick, if you look at here, this is the all green, we see red, we see green, we see red. Now, if you go to the line chart, see why I choose this one as a low, because the green is started from there. Clear?
Yeah.
Huh, sir. Clear,
Yes,
sir.
And in the theoretical part, it says we will have two, which is one is upper one, two is bottom one. Which one we are going to pick?
ऊपर वाला, sir.
Upper wala. Everyone clear? Upper one?
Yes,
Yeah.
master.
Okay, so I'm removing the bottom one. Is this part clearly understood?
Yes, master.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Clear, sir.
let us move to this particular area in here. What do you see here?
W.
W.
W. So this is the breakout of the W main, and this is the breakout of W second one, right? Same
Right.
question.
sir.
One we are going to pick upper one or the bottom one.
2.
Bottom 1.
Bottom
Bottom.
one, sir.
So I am removing the bottom area. Clear? Sorry, upper area. Is this part clearly understood for everyone?
So basically, we
Yes,
have to
master.
consider the insider one, whether it is W
Insider
or M.
one, right. If you
Okay.
understand it this simplest way, you can remember it that way. We are marking the insider one, not the outsider one. Okay. Outsider one is helping us to understand the breakout happened or not. Okay.
Okay.
Now, this is the line we draw as a first breakout, right? Or the upper breakout. Clear? At the same time,
Huh, sir.
do you think I should recap what I just said? Because we are moving to the candle now. Is this part clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
master.
Clear,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir. It's
Now,
clear.
if we go to the candlestick, if we go to the candlestick,
Just a recap.
Go ahead. Someone trying to say something, isn't it?
They are talking to someone. Yeah.
recap बोला शायद.
Okay, recap bola. Means we need brother M or W. Okay. So we need to see this high or this low should be broken with the body of any candle. Body. And we will have one breakout here, we will have another breakout here. Okay. And what we will do, we will remove the upper one. We are only focusing on the theoretical. All of you says yes. We are not focusing on this area, but the upper area. In here, you says not here, but the bottom area. This is what the recap is. If you are still not understanding, tell me, I will recap again. Clear, everyone? Or should I go to the line chart to candlestick?
Yes sir, अगर sir
Clear,
left side
sir.
में
We will see we will see only the line chart to confirm this W or M.
I do not go to the line chart, as I know everyone. I have teach almost 100 plus people. So I know initially they are facing so problematic issue with the candlestick. That's why I recommend to go to the line chart to identify the M shape and W shape.
Yes, because I have not the experience to see.
That's the reason I am showing you with the line chart. And
Okay,
that's the
and
reason I'm
second-
also asking, if line chart
Okay.
part is done, let us move to the candlestick. Okay.
Okay, and second question is, when we see this in the line, but we are in the past, we don't see the end of the M. How can I recognize this M on the line chart?
I am not understanding you.
Perhaps we don't see the W at the end. We are in the middle of the W. How can I recognize that will be a W?
Let's say you're talking about this W.
Yes.
So how it is not a W? That's my question to you.
No. It's okay. But if we are in the bottom.
In the bottom. Okay.
In the bottom, yes. We haven't yet seen the continuation.
Means it's not a brother. Listen, I understand your question. You are asking something like this. Let's say it's just created something like that and it did not break out and eventually it come down. Then it's not a W.
Yes.
Simple. It's not a W. Is it a W?
Okay. We have to wait until the W is formed. Okay.
It's similar. Yes. Understood now?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Anything else? Anyone else? Any question? No.
नहीं है sir.
Okay. So this is the first breakout, it says, and here we have another breakout on here, right? Now, if you go to the candlestick, this line is coming from the first breakout, isn't it? Coming from the first breakout. Okay. Now, if you go to the candlestick, I says, this is the starting of this green and red and then green and then red. Once you become an expert to read the candle, you do not need the line chart. So this is the M shape we see. At the same time, when we identified our M shape and the W shape, what else you see here, everyone?
Engulfing fail.
Okay, so we have this engulfing area, and we have this engulfing buy area, which is giving us this particular zone in the zone. Okay, is this part clear?
Yes.
Means our two particular setup is in the same place. Is this part also clear?
Yes, master.
Yes.
And
Clear.
you just replace it to the engulfing area as an execution area. Got it, everyone? Means we have two powerful setup in the same places. This setup is becoming much more powerful. Is this part clear?
Yes, master.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us go to the same area. Now you guys tell me what you see here. This line is coming from where? Two breakout W, which is one breakout is here, which is showing us red, green, red, all the way to green. Is this a W setup? We says yes. And now with the W setup, we says we are only concerned about the bottom one, not the upper one. So we are removing the upper one. And what else we see here?
Engulfing cell failure to buy.
Right. So we have an
Engulfing, yeah.
engulfing cell which become failed here. At the same time, we have engulfing buy, which is also zone in the zone. Now the same question is to where I says to put the entry engulfing area, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, master.
So we have
Yes.
two setup. One setup is a cell setup, which is here. Okay. Another setup is a buy setup, which is also here. Okay. If the zone is in between 70 to 80 pips, I says you can play a ping pong setup. So this is our two setup, which is nearest one. Understood, everyone?
Yes, master.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
go. So we see movement is running and our buy setup trigged. Okay. Buy setup trigged and moving to the upper area, sell setup also trigged and give us TP. Clear?
Baapre.
Yes, sir.
I don't understand this ping pong.
What
I
you did not.
understand separately the two.
Okay, fine. Forget
Please.
about ping pong. You understand the buy
Okay.
setup and
The
sell
chat
setup?
is small. Can you
Okay.
make your candle big a little bit, please?
Bro, I use 646 monitor.
Okay. Thank you.
Understood this setup? So if you guys did not understand, there are two setup we had. One setup is here, one setup is here. This two setup is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir, it's clear.
if you run the thing, then you will see the first what it did, it just picked our buy setup, immediately hit the TP, and it just hit the sell setup and immediately hit the stop loss. Sorry, second TP. Is this part clear?
Yeah, clear.
सर
Okay.
थोड़ा बैक में आपके थोड़ा सा करिए, थोड़ा सा बैक में सर.
Back here.
जी सर. सर बस सर यहाँ से आपने जो बाय एंगल्फिंग सेल और एंगल्फिंग बाय का आपने मार्क किया हुआ है और सेम सिचुएशन ऊपर बनने है इसके जस्ट.
You say something ऊपर, just a minute. In here?
हाँ, यस सर. ये एंगल्फिंग फेल है यहाँ पे, तो ये वाला एरिया और नीचे वाला एरिया हो सकता है सर ट्रेड करने के लिए.
The thing is, if you look at here, as I says, that was the very first session. So you're talking about that you have a engulfing sell here and a buy here, which also gives you a very pinpoint rate, right? Pinpoint rate.
Yes, sir.
Like you're saying, like only this part, I understand. Just a minute. So you have a engulfing cell here, right? Which is not basically giving you any fail yet, right? It's not failed, is it? This is the failed actually happens. So your buy should be here if you are saying correctly, right?
नो सर, इसके नीचे वाली जो है ना एक रेड कैंडल है इसके जस्ट पहले ये एंगल्फिंग बाय और फिर एंगल्फिंग
one?
बाय फेल हो गया है.
Which one?
नो
Which
सर,
one?
जी ये
This
आपने कर्सर रखा था जो भी इसका सेकंड वाली.
here.
यस सर, इसके पहले वाली है.
इसके पहले वाली engulfing buy.
बस
Okay.
यस सर,
You're saying this is a
दिस वाली सर.
understood.
यस
You're
सर,
saying this is a engulfing
बाय.
buy. You're saying this as an engulfing buy, and we see that engulfing also failed, right?
यस सर.
As of now, today we are adding one more confluences. This is the only engulfing and engulfing fail area. Why we are not going to sell from there? Because there is no M or W shape.
Is that what? Is that what?
What, brother?
You said something. You
I
want to
didn't hear
repeat,
what you
repeat.
said.
Okay, I said
Yes.
this is the first session, whatever we have learned. Remember? This is the first session. We have engulfing buy and engulfing sell, right? So as of the expectation, we says we are going to sell from here, right?
Yes.
यस सर. सर इसको
As-
लाइन चार्ट में करना सर. सॉरी सर.
Yeah, sure. To become an M shape, this is the movement started. Understood? Now, if you look at here, all are green, red, green. It has to break out like this area at least.
ओके.
So if it not break, there is no breakout, we cannot say it's only engulfing and engulfing cell area, by area and cell area. We cannot randomly sell from here. We need one more confirmation at least. Clear now?
यस सर, यस सर, क्योंकि सर इसी वजह से मैं कंफ्यूज हो रहा था। आपने जो फर्स्ट सेशन बताया था ना मार्क करने के लिए, तो जैसे इंगल्फिंग हुआ, इंगल्फिंग फेल मार्क किया, तो जैसे वो अपने एरिया तक आती है वापस, तो बीच में कई काफी सारे इंगल्फिंग और इंगल्फिंग फेल बन जाते हैं। तो मुझे वहाँ कंफ्यूज हो रहा था काफी ज्यादा सेलेक्ट
From
करने के
now
लिए
on,
जोन कौन सा
that's the
करूँ।
reason we started with this thing, so that you can understand like how market behave. From now on, we are going to look for M and W is there, and between that M and W, if we have our EG sell and EG whatever we need, if it's there, we are going to buy or sell. Okay?
ओके ओके सर,
Everyone clear?
क्लियर है
अच्छा
सर।
Yes.
Yes, sir.
सर
Yes, sir. It's clear.
सर
Okay.
I
बोल
did
रहे थे कि
understand
मतलब
only the pick pong.
हाँ
बोल रहे थे कि सर टाइम फ्रेम का कुछ मतलब 30 मिनट में
forget
गए।
about. Listen, what I said in the first
Okay,
session,
okay.
till fifth session, there is no time frame, nothing. I want you to
Okay.
guys have a eyes like me. Simple.
ओके मास्टर, ओके मास्टर।
Okay? So you just need that, nothing else. You just only need that. For now, only understand the setup. Win, loss, time frame, forget about everything. Okay? How to
Okay,
do
ma'am.
what, we will learn it also. In here, if you look at here as you, if you see here, we have what? All red, green, red, green. Can we call it as a W shape?
W, यस सर, W।
Everyone is agreeing with me? It's a W shape.
Yes, sir.
Yes, master.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And what else we have here? We have this engulfing cell,
Yeah.
and we have this engulfing buy. And this is the engulfing area, so we are going to buy from here. Is this part clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
There are, okay, I'm going to talk about it also. Anyone is joined from mobile, please do not join from mobile, because understanding chart from mobile is very difficult. You can trade from mobile, but when you join from for a session from a mobile, it will be very hard to understand. Okay? Sometimes we need to do chart.
What is Noel? What
I mean
is
phone,
Noel?
phone, not mobile, mobile, phone.
Mobile, mobile.
Ah,
phone.
mobile. Sorry, mobile.
Phone.
Okay.
Okay. So is this setup also clear to everyone?
Yes,
हाँ जी
sir.
सर,
Yes,
क्लियर है
sir.
सर।
Okay, so great. And let us move to a few more example in here also. What do you guys see here? Red, green, red. W, is this part clear?
pattern.
W.
W सर,
And what we have with that W? We have a engulfing cell. Okay, we have an engulfing cell, which is giving us what? Just a minute.
Each.
It's very tiny overlapping. Look at this.
Minor.
See it?
जी सर,
Yes,
हाँ सर,
What will be our entry area? Overlapping area.
नीचे
This
नीचे
is
वाली
just giving
एरिया सर।
confluence, okay? Just the
Yes, sir.
confluence. So this is the entry. Understood?
हाँ जी
Market has
सर,
to come back to that
Yes,
level.
master.
सर ने
And
बोला
then-
नीचे आएगा तो आएगा।
Okay.
आगे
It was
सर,
TP. Clear?
क्लियर सर।
And Lucas, one more example, then we'll go to our recent chart. Okay, we will go to our recent chart. In here, if you look at here, what we have here, brother, everyone?
M.
M and W.
M shape,
W.
right?
M.
M
यस
shape.
सर,
Upper one or bottom one?
Inside L.
Upper one.
Upper one. Inside one.
Upper one.
यस
Okay.
सर,
So when we have this, let us go to the candlestick. We have any overlapping here? I'm
Yes,
showing
sir.
you a technique. I'm showing you a technique how to identify easily as overlapping. You will see an engulfing here, right?
Yeah.
यस
Which
सर,
is cell. Drag it to the left. Where is the engulfing buy? So you have your engulfing buy. Now look, that engulfing buy is giving you overlapping or not. If it's giving you an overlapping, voila. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the entry area. Okay. I had the trade, that's why I remember it very perfectly. It also giving me time not much. So this is our trade. Clear?
हाँ जी सर क्लियर है.
Now there are few things to talk. You will see. I maybe said in our session number 1, 70% to 80% of our trade, 80% of our trade, it will go to, if it is our entry area, it will go to entry area. It will not stay there. It will just immediately come down, either buy or sell. 10 to 15% trade will go there. It will start to struggling. Okay. And remaining will hit our stop loss. So this is the ratio you can remember for yourself also. Okay. Now let us go to our today's market. Where this thing come from? I'm still looking for where does this thing come from. Okay. Now if you look at the today's market, everyone, let us start it from the yesterday market where we have where we see that buy actually. If you remember, I showed you this one as a this part. We have this as a what? Engulfing cell, isn't it? And we
Yes,
have
sir.
our fail area. We have this particular one which is kind of overlapping. And at the same time, what else we have here? We have red, green, red, green. Is it a W shape?
W.
Yes.
And where is the engulfing area started? This is the engulfing area started. Okay. So what happened till yesterday to till today? We see very smoothly market is going till to this particular one, which is still running. Where is 33? Oh,
But how do you understand to take this engulfing to start the history and not another? Because we found to the line chart the W or M. After, how do you understand the engulfing that the history is starting? To take
how do you understand what?
the in
The
which
engulfing,
engulfing,
like
in which engulfing we have to start? If we see on the line chart the M or W.
I understand your question. Okay. So that's the reason I says you need a lot of practice. You need a lot of practice. Once you
Yes.
have enough data by yourself, also you will understand which one gonna work and which one gonna not work. And definitely I'm also going to teach you. And like yesterday session, we teach or we learn every engulfing buy fail, every engulfing or engulfing fail, we look for trade, right? Today we add one more thing. Every engulfing and
Yes.
engulfing fail is not important for us. We need to see M shape or W shape. So by time we will add few more things. Okay, brother?
Okay.
By how we will understand. Now clear?
Okay.
जी सर क्लियर है.
Okay, so let us move on. As we are seeing on here, actually, look at here in today's chart. In everything you see in here, do you guys see any M shape and W shape?
Yes, sir. ऊपर एक M shape है
But
sir.
let us start from here. Okay, let us start from H1. Very first H1. We see this as a W shape. The very first we are in H1, right? When you have an M shape and W shape, the question is, do we have any other thing here? Seems like we do not have anything. Okay.
Engulfing sell and buy. Yeah. Okay.
No, we
Not
do not have
overlap.
any cell. Look at this. We have a engulfing cell here, and
Yeah.
we do not have any overlapping. The buy is here, so we have few area left to mix up. Okay. Then as I said, time frame thing is not important right now, but for the understanding purpose, I'm just showing you something. And in here, if you look at here in the 30-minute, we do not have any particular M shape until here. Until here, look at this one. We have a W shape here, isn't it? We have a.
Yeah.
Is this a W shape? How we are going to confirm it? We are going to confirm it with the line chart. Candlestick. Sometimes it's look a little bit like
Tricky,
this.
yeah.
Look at this. It's little bit tricky, right? Not
Yeah.
perfectly look like a W shape, isn't it? So what we're going to do, we are going to look at the line chart, two candlestick. We have red, all our green means here, red, and this is the W for us. Is this part also clear?
Yes,
Yes.
master.
Okay, now
Yes, sir, it's clear.
as you have the W shape means this is the area we have only W shape. As I'm not showing you guys the multi-time framing, but if you move back to a little bit down area, when we will learn the multi-time frame, we will see we have our engulfing cell area here, we have engulfing bar area here, which is giving us this particular box is actually our W area. Remember? Which we
Yes.
see in 30 minute, right? This is the area as a upper break. This the area is the lower break. So we are picking the lower one. And if you go to 15 minute, we have the area on here. So if market comes here, we are going to buy. Clear?
So still market has to come back, still it not touched
This is the
the
running market. So market did not reach out there if it comes here,
Yeah.
actually. So now the question is, are we going to buy here or not? There are a few more things to add. This is,
Okay.
I'm just telling you as of we know. Okay? As of we know. Like 2 session. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
We have
So
to
मुझे
open 2 sessions.
Huh?
1 hour and another time frame. I didn't understand the
Forget
last.
about time frame. Forget about time frame. You stick with one time frame. If you see
Okay.
how time frame is working, we will learn from monthly, even from the, if you want, we will start from week, yearly to till 1 minute. We will learn the multi time frame also. But before going to the multi time frame, we need to understand the setup. To me, it's like when a baby born, I cannot, push him to the water, like, let's swim. I need to give him time. Let's do some rumbling, some little bit work and run, then I'll push him to the water. So this is the process I follow. You need to understand the setup first. But once you understand the setup, you see everything in the chart, then do the multi-time framing. Time frame shifting is the very
Last thing.
important thing. Otherwise, you will be in puzzle, like what I'm looking for. That's the reason we are going one setup at a time. And I'm saying you need to train your eyes so hard. You cannot left anything in the chart when you read the chart. And we are going very systematic way. One day, one setup, master it, that's it.
Okay.
So whatever,
I have a question.
someone says something I did not hear, sorry.
Yes, sir. This I have a question.
Yeah.
This work that makes this area not invalid or not? This work.
Like the one we just watching, is the area is valid or not? This is the area?
Yes. This work.
Okay. You're saying the fresh and unfresh thing. Forget about the fresh and unfresh thing. We will talk a little details about the fresh and unfresh things later. Basically, the candle you mark, this area makes it more interesting to enter. Okay, so we will talk about it also.
Yes, I have a question, please.
Yes, sure.
सर मुझे कुछ पूछना था सर.
Yeah, one by one, please.
Okay.
Yes,
Go ahead.
my question is,
Okay.
after you this place you mark close to your cursor, there is a long wick down.
This is
If the wick
what
touch
Dick
this
just
down,
asked, like this one. Mustafa may be asking the same question. You were saying, as this area is come back here, and are we going to count is valid or not valid, right? This is the question you were asking.
yeah, use your cursor. You use your cursor. Your cursor is not moving. I don't know.
Okay, I understand. The thing is,
okay.
I try to take a screenshot. You guys do not see it. What I am saying, this is the week
Yes,
that you were talking
yes.
about. Also, Mustafa was asking the
Yes.
same question. Now, this particular area is becoming more interesting because of this candle. We will learn that part also. Now, thing is this area is valid again to enter or not? Means basically you are asking, is this area is fresh, is valid or not? This is the question mainly you are asking. To me, forget about the
No,
fresh and
the wick is my question. The wick, if it comes
I
to
understand. Listen,
down a
listen,
little bit.
brother. This is what I am saying also. Listen, please listen. When this wick comes here, means this area is already tested. That's the question you are asking. When it isn't this the question you are asking, fresh or not fresh?
Yeah, let's say the wick comes down a little. That wick, just
In
draw
that
it down.
particular, yes, that's the
Yes,
thing I'm
push
also
it down a
saying is that
little. No,
as
no,
it
no,
did
not
not
a
push it
cycle.
down,
Just
as
push
it
it
did not,
down.
as it did not push it down, so it's remain still valid.
If it is pushed down, that is invalid. So that retest is done.
As of the simplest way to understand is as this particular engulfing is not tapped. Okay. This particular area is not tapped by this wick. For us, it is still valid.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
if we get to that wick, if that place, what happens?
Yes, if it goes there means it's not valid. We will look something else.
So we can
Valid,
wait until
validation.
tomorrow.
The thing is valid or invalid. This is a very different part. When we says valid and valid, if this area is never touched by anything, means it's 100% fresh. When a setup 100% fresh, the win probability is 90%, means we may enter on that trade and it will just move up. If as of this area is not that much fresh, like now the trade probability is becoming 50-50. As I said, we will learn this thing in future. For now, just focusing on you have the W shape, you have the overlapping, it should come here and then go up. Okay.
Okay.
Any question? Author view says you will
Yes, sir.
you will ask some question. Yeah.
यस सर, मैं पूछ रहा था आपने सर 30 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम में करना सर, आप जरा एक चार्ट्स क्लियर करके.
You want me to clear my chart?
नो सर, क्लियर है सर. ये 30 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम में करना सर आप थोड़ा सा. जी सर, आपने जैसे मार्क किया हुआ था डब्ल्यू यहाँ पर आपने.
हाँ.
जी, तो सर यहाँ पर तो इंगल्फिंग फेल है नहीं सर, सॉरी इंगल्फिंग सेल है नहीं है सर यहाँ पर तो.
That's why I said, remember what I said. There is a very specifically I said there will be something I will teach as a multi-time frame in different time frame. Right. It is very hard to look everything is one time frame. But for now, all of you, I am requesting, do not change the time frame. I want you to understand the setup first. Same time frame, same overlapping, same WM shape. Do not shift the time frame. Why I says this area? Because we have a W shape here, but we are not going to trade based on only one time frame. So we will shift a lot of time, 30 to 1 hour, 1 hour to 1 minute. So this is also what we will learn in future. Okay. So when you have the W shape here, look at this. You have a W on here. You have a this is the W pattern, isn't it? Upper and inside one. So we says we remove the upper one, but we keep the inside one. As there is no overlapping, that's why I jumped to the 15-minute to look for other thing. So how we will do it, we will know it. So, but in the 15-minute, if you look, you have the overlapping, isn't it? So this is what we call multi-time framing. Okay.
ओके सर, क्योंकि सर अभी आपने जैसे अभी इससे पहले आपने जितने भी एरिया डब्ल्यू या एम मार्क किए थे उसमें इंगल्फिंग सेल और इंगल्फिंग बाई क्लियर था और फेल भी क्लियर हुआ था, और यहाँ पर मुझे क्लियर नहीं.
Because this time I changed the time frame.
जी.
Got it. So forget about time frame. Do not think about time frame. Focusing only one time frame. Look for the W in the same time frame. You're looking for the overlapping of the zone in the zone. Okay.
ओके, क्लियर है सर. जी.
Everyone clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, master.
Any question? Anything else?
नो सर.
No.
So if there is no question, then this is the end of our session too. Okay. It's just I hope
सर अभी तो शुरू हुआ था सर.
we have if look at the time. This is the problem. I remember when I started with Deepak batch. Remember Deepak?
सर.
When I
Yes,
you guys said like why how this time ended so fast?
सर पता ही नहीं चला कब कब खत्म हो गया सर टाइम.
If you look at your watch, you will see that we already spent almost 1 hour. That's the funny
Yes,
part.
That often happen with all sessions. So you don't, when times comes, finish we don't know. So focus on the
हाँ.
training.
So now we have to find 25 W's, 25 M or not?
Well, the
Homework, homework.
is, to be honest, we are not in school, sir. Do remember, if you guys trying to do it for lifetime, do until your eyes is placed, you are self-satisfied. Like if you like, for example's sake, like I give the homework. If you guys do not do one single screenshot, do you think I'm going to scold you like why you did not do it? No. Isn't it? So this is, as you guys willingly to join me, you have to do everything as willingly. Do as much as you want. If you do 5 and you feel like okay, I am done, I do not need more, then means you good.
Yes,
You do
okay,
not need.
I'm joking, okay.
Got it, brother. So yeah, this is the same answer for me also. What else? If there is no question, then this is the end of our session. I will see. By the way, before we are ending the session, let's fix the next session because last time I think we fixed it on the Sunday, and then the timing issue started. Then I says, okay, let's move it to the Monday. What do you guys want? 1 day break, 1 day session? If it is the 1 day break, and then maybe we are going to have our next session is the Wednesday, isn't it?
Yes.
Next,
One day
Weekday we
break,
can
one day
have
session.
next
daily
Wednesday,
session, I think.
The daily say, brother, listen, I'm going to tell you something very interestingly. My strategy was done in 2017. Still, it took me 2 years. Why? I was in so rush to make money. Got it? Like
yes.
every strategy I'm showing you, we had a group. We started it. I joined that group in 2014 or 15 maybe. Our strategy was done in 2016, 17 maybe. So still, it took me 2 more years to find out my profitability because, as I said, I was in raw rush to understand the market, so rush to make the money. Okay.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
Take some time to consume the information I'm giving. One more thing, to be honest, I'm telling you, when I am I am with you guys, you will understand, you will see market is the most easiest thing. If I leave, you go to the chart, you will understand this the complexity started.
Yes, sir. यही होता है सर.
Completely agree.
That's why you are
आपने
saying a continuous session. I understand the situation. What will happen in next?
Agree.
Because the thing I'm showing, it's a very very unique thing. Most of the thing I invented myself, so I know how much time it takes to consume. Okay. Okay.
True.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
one general question not related to the session. Like
Yes.
Malaysian SNR and engulfing are two different things or all the same?
No. Basically, we will once we started the directional session, you will understand the basic SNR thing. Like
Okay.
this is the SNR, but we try to read the candle by candle, the candle. Initially when I started to learning, we have this. We call this now what we call it. We call it a engulfing, isn't it? We call it an
Yeah.
engulfing. Initially, when I did not know that people are calling it an engulfing, we used to call it as a gap. Then when I
Yeah.
went to the Malaysia for my MS, then I understand people are calling them as an engulfing.
Okay.
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 Otherwise, I used to call them as a gap.
Okay.
So same thing, just two concepts. Both are the used most famously in Malaysia.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, that's the end, and have a great day, everyone. I wish you good luck. How
So-
is the
so-
how was the session? How was the session?
Yes,
Great.
today was
was
interesting.
good.
Yes.
बहुत बढ़िया सर.
It was good.
Speechless.
It was good. It was good.
Second homework
When is
actually.
next session?
What I just said a little bit earlier.
Wednesday.
When I didn't understand this Wednesday.
Yes,
Next Wednesday.
if one day session, take 1 day break. Do not try to continue session. That's what I said.
Great. Great.
Okay.
Yep.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन था सर एक थोड़ा सा हट के. आप हैं
Who
सर?
is it? Who
सर
is
मैं
it?
अथर्व सर.
हाँ.
सर ये पूछ रहा था जैसे अपने इंडिया में सर ये तो बैन है सर क्रिप्टो वगैरह और जो ट्रेडिंग है वो बैन है तो कैसे कर सकते हैं इसके लिए?
Deepak is the guy for you. He's from India, isn't it?
I'll get you. I'll guide.
सर मुझे
Listen,
भी बता देना।
there are so many loophole. What do you think? How I do it? It's a ban also here. I have Nutella, I have Skrill, I have crypto, everything. I have a freelancer ID. I go my bank, I submit it, they send the money, everything as a remittance. Okay. Find a solution. There are a lot of solutions.
If you pay tax, no one come to you.
Right. But
That's
try
it.
to pay less tax.
Yes, yes.
दीपक सर थोड़ा गाइड कर दीजिएगा इस बारे में।
Yeah, sure. No worry. I'll guide you.
Okay, so yeah, have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys have a
थैंक
great
यू मास्टर, थैंक यू मास्टर।
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye, sir. Thank you.
सर आप कहाँ से हो सर? मतलब आप इंडिया में नहीं हो सर आप अभी?
Hello, pardon.
He left already.
ओके
No,
ओके।
he's from
He's from
Bangladesh, not from the
Bangladesh.
India.
अच्छा
He's not from
बांग्लादेश।
India. He's from Bangladesh.
अच्छा
Yes,
ओके।
sir.
Thank
I'm going to have the recording again for this lesson.
you. Sorry, pardon.
Are we going to have
Recording.
the recording again?
Yeah, same. You will get the same day. All recordings will get after half
Okay,
an hour.
sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
दीपक भैया आप रुकना, मुझे बताना पहले इसके बारे में।
दीपक
Okay.
प्लीज, इंडिया से जो भी है उनको सेम प्रॉब्लम है जो अतर ने पूछा, तो प्लीज इंडिया वालों को एक बार गाइड कर दीजिए।
हाँ सर। हाँ दीपक भैया, कैसे पैसे वाले बने आप?
हाँ बचा लो।
तो
दीपक आप इंडिया में कहाँ से है?
मैं पुणे से हूँ।
अच्छा पुणे से हो आप?
great.
मैं भैया ग्वालियर से हूँ।
मैं WB।
मैं
उल्टा W,
इंदौर से
उल्टा
हूँ।
M।
इंदौर। मेरे कंपनी में
हाँ,
इंदौर वाले
मध्य
बहुत
प्रदेश।
सारे कंपनी में भर रहे हैं अभी। मेरे कंपनी
अरे आप कौन सी कंपनी में हैं आप?
मैं पैटर्न में हूँ।
टाटा में हो?
पैटर्न PATTERN।
पैटर्न में हो? ओके। मैं आयशर मोटर्स में हूँ।
Okay, yes. Okay. So there are a lot of ways. बट ये ध्यान रख कि पैसा डिपॉजिट कर लो कौन से भी, लाइक XNX कर सकते हो, XM कर सकते हो, और रिकग्नाइज है तो उसमें आप डाल दो। लेकिन जब पैसा विड्रॉल करते हो तो देर आर जस्ट लिमिटेशन। बट जैसा ही आपके अकाउंट में मनी इन दिखेगा तो वी हैव टू पे सम टैक्स तो देना पड़ेगा, वट एवर। This is the one thing. The second one is like a prop firm. Prop firm में कैसा रहता है कि you just buy their prop firm accounts, pass their उनके जो भी
फेस होते हैं वो।
चीज रहते हो challenges pass करो। After passing the account, तो उसमें अभी कैसा होगा, एक चीज रहेगा, जैसे कि आपने XNX से कमाया या XM से कमाया तो that will be come to our account, but it is showing like इट्स लाइक अ क्रिप्टो अर्निंग इज शोइंग लाइक अस। मतलब वो कंपनी से आ रहा है तो अपने को ये आ रहा है, बोलते हैं कि क्रिप्टो से आ रहा है तो वी हैव टू पे टैक्स लाइक अ क्रिप्टो स्टैंडर्ड 30%। ओके, दिस द वन थिंग। इफ वी वर्क फॉर अ प्रॉप फर्म्स एंड गेट द, जैसे कि प्रॉप फर्म्स का आपने पास किया उसके बाद उसके पे आउट्स निकलते हैं। द पे आउट्स इज नॉट लाइक अ crypto earning. They're saying that we are employee for them and they are giving us money. So this is your earning. So earning का जो भी टैक्स रहेगा it is not more than 30%, right?
Right.
But overall just अभी I think we are all working. अगर हमारा स्लैब 20 लाख पर गया in yearly या 20 लाख के ऊपर गया तो we default come under 30%.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
वो चीज़ है। और दूसरा है कि आप मतलब देर आर लॉट ऑफ वेज। अगर आपने वाइफ के नाम पे अकाउंट निकालो सो विल गेट रिबिट ऑन दैट।
सर उसके लिए शादी करनी पड़ेगी, क्या बात कर रहे हो भैया आप?
शादी के बाद उसके लिए तो शादी करो।
जब ही कहा है कि शादी कर लक्ष्मी आएगी तभी आप वही बात कह रहे हैं
देर आर लॉट ऑफ वेज, बट तो थोड़ा सा पैसा अगर प्रॉफर्म से आएगा तो दैट विल काइंड ऑफ अ लीगल थिंग बिकॉज वी वर्क फॉर द कंपनी एंड दे आर पेइंग अस।
हाँ
तो क्रिप्टो से कर रहे हो, अगर इट इज शोइंग इन योर अकाउंट दिस अमाउंट कम फ्रॉम द क्रिप्टो, तो वी हैव टू पे अ टैक्स. इफ यू आर नॉट पेड टैक्स देन दे कम टू अस. सो बेस्ट है, विच आर द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर यू, यू कैन सिलेक्ट.
दीपक जी, अगर
ओके।
प्रॉप फॉर्म से भी कर रहे तब भी टैक्स तो देना ही पड़ता है, वो तो अपने को अकाउंट में ही आएगा ना?
हाँ, क्योंकि अभी
नहीं.
नया रूल आया है उसमें भी देना पड़ेगा टैक्स शायद कुछ।
हाँ, प्रॉफॉर्म से देना पड़ेगा, बट
हम्म,
क्रिप्टो अर्निंग इज डायरेक्टली 30%.
ओके,
समझे?
irrelevant of your slab.
any slab doesn't matter. If
Yes,
the
doesn't
earning
matter.
is like 100 रुपए आपसे कम आपके अकाउंट में क्रिप्टो से आया है, like Bitcoin, any other country, go something is coming on your directly third, it is like 100 रुपए कमाए तो 30 रुपए उसको पे करना पड़ेगा. बट
अच्छा
प्रॉप फर्म से आपको आ रहा है, सपोज मेरे को 100 रुपए आया है, तो वो इट इज नॉट अ क्रिप्टो, मैं पगार ले रहा हूँ, बराबर.
हाँ, वो सैलरी है.
हाँ
यस, तो
कि
उसका
उसमें
30% में जाएगा.
इट इज थर्ट. ओके, सो उसमें और एक चीज है कि इफ यू ऑलरेडी हैविंग अ सैलरी अकाउंट,
हाँ
हाँ
आपका सैलरी तो मिल रहा है. सपोज हम पकड़ के चलो कि 10 लाख मेरी सैलरी है ईयरली.
हाँ
मैंने 10 लाख कमाए प्रॉप फर्म से, तो आगे मेरी
हाँ
अर्निंग 20 लाख हो
हाँ
गई ना.
हाँ.
हाँ
तो अदर एक्सपेंस वगैरह जब टैक्स अगर अपना सीए कोई हो तो उससे हम वो रिडम करके बराबर से टैक्स पे कर सकते हैं. बट मेक श्योर कि वो
बिल्कुल
क्रिप्टो का आएगा तो यू हैव टू पे 30% डायरेक्टली. तो दैट इज द
ओके.
वे. और का दूसरा भी
दीपक जी, आपने हाँ
एक दूसरा भी एक ऑप्शन है P2P. लाइक एक बाइनेंस में अकाउंट बनाओ और वहाँ पे
वो
जो भी
सेफ नहीं है
अर्निंग.
सर.
वो
हाँ,
तो सेफ नहीं है सर, बोला उन्होंने,
सी
इलीगल
सी
कर दिया वो भी
नो
P2P।
नो नो सी वन थिंग,
अच्छा
इंडिया में सभी बैन है.
सभी
हाँ
मैंने
होता है
बट मेक श्योर कि
बिल्कुल।
जैसा आप इन्वेस्ट करोगे पैसे उसमें से विड्रॉल करते चलो. इफ यू गेट अ प्रॉफिट, विड्रॉल. मतलब मैंने सपोज एक वीक में सपोज $500 कमाए, तो दैट यू
हम्म
टेक इट, जस्ट कीप इट अ मनी फॉर अ ट्रेडिंग पर्पस. सो
हम्म
ऐसा होता है कि, और ऐसे भी रहता है कि इफ यू अगर बड़े बड़े आप फंड्स निकाल रहे हो, तो द XNX और अदर कंपनी XM, दे आर गोइंग टू बैन यू, बिकॉज
बैन
उन
कर देते हैं हाँ।
नहीं जाएंगे ना.
हम्म
क्योंकि हम, इफ यू मास्टर दिस ऑल थिंग्स ना, तो हम जो
हाँ
कमीशन कमा रहे हैं ना उनको बहुत कम पैसा देते, लेकिन वो हम बहुत पैसा अर्न करेंगे उनसे. तो दैट टाइम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दे आर गोइंग टू बैन यू ऑल्सो. अकाउंट बंद कर देते, ब्लॉक करते, पे आउट नहीं देते. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो हैपन.
ये
सो
सब,
मेक थोड़ा सा.
लेकिन
एंड में
प्रोप फॉर्म
दुबई
में
ही
ऐसा
जाना
नहीं होता
पड़ेगा.
ना?
हाँ
आपने प्रोप फॉर्म कर रखा है क्या दीपक जी, कोई सा?
हाँ, मैंने किए थे 2-3 ब्लोअप भी कर दिए. मेरा ऐसा नहीं रहता, मैं बहुत आई एम राइट नाउ ऑन स्टडी. तो वॉट एवर
हाँ
सर टीचर्स, मैं हर एक
हाँ.
चीज के लिए ट्रेड करता रहता हूँ और चेक करता रहता हूँ.
ओके
अच्छा
भाई, मैंने भी